In this video, we will write few lines on world geography in cursive handwriting. So let's start. World geography is a vast and interdisciplinary field that encompasses the study of the Earth's physical features, human populations, and cultures. It provides a comprehensive understanding of the world and the complex relationships between people and environment. Understanding world geography is crucial for understanding the world around us and the challenges facing it. If you want to know more about world geography, then comment and like my video, subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.